everyone. Thanks for being here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sabina, and I'm going to be doing just a quick spring, like pretty in pink eye tutorial. The palette I'm going to be using today is by Profusion. It is the Mirage palette. I do really enjoy the warm tones. I love the pinks, these cream shades down here. There's just a lot of nice, beautiful springtime colors. This is, in my opinion, a really great drugstore palette to use, so I thought I would do a look with this today. I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the anti-aging version. So what I thought I would do, I'm not like really quite sure yet what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to kind of see what speaks to me. I think I'm going to pick up the color Fast. No, I think I'm going to pick up the color Polite right here. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid. I always like to start off with a shade that matches, you know, my natural skin tone. Dab that on. It is so lovely outside today. I'm looking out, the sun is shining. We went for a little car ride today for a birthday. So we did one of those big birthday drive-by parades. It was so much fun. I am gonna dip into this peachy shade called Dune right here. We're gonna just pop that with a fluffy brush. What am I using? A Morphe M433 brush. And I'm just gonna start by slowly putting that into my crease like this. And then I'm going to blend upward to diffuse the color. I want to make sure I keep this color nice and tight and not go past my brow bone. Hello, let's try that again. And I'm just going to work that slowly back and forth. And then when there's barely any product left on the brush, I'm going to start moving that upwards. This color is quite pretty. It feels nice on the lid. It's a matte color and it's blending out really nicely. It reminds me of like creamsicles. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. I'm going to go into a pink matte shade right here, and this shade is called Bridesmaid. I'm gonna use this Coastal Scents. I love these Coastal Scents brushes. They're really, really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. This does have a bit of like a sheen to it, so I would say it's a satin matte. It's not fully matte, it's not sparkly, but it has a really pretty satin finish to it. And these two together, I think, look really pretty. Okay, so I just want to kind of place that right on the eyelid, and then I'm going to go in with my favorite crease brush by BK Beauty, the 202, and I'm going to go right back into that Bridesmaid pink shade, and I'm going to start working that up and blending that into the orange shade that I laid down first. Really pretty palette. I do like this. I don't own a lot of drugstore palettes. I think this is the only drugstore palette that I have, and I really, really like it so far. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This one is by Coastal Scents, so it's very similar to the one that I used from Morphe, and this one is way softer. I'm going to go around the edges and just blend away any harsh lines and just make sure that it's nice and smooth. I know the Coastal Scents brushes are really inexpensive, like a couple bucks. I think this one was $5. So I'll link the brushes down below. They're great for beginners as well as somebody that, you know, loves makeup and has a lot of experience with makeup. It's nice to just have a couple of these on hand because they are more affordable, so you can, you know, buy a few at a time and not break the bank. I'm gonna go into a sparkly shade with my finger. I find that using your finger when you have shimmery shadows works way better than if you picked them up on a brush. So what I think I'm gonna do, there's two shades here that are catching my eye. I think I'm gonna go into this shade, which is called Flirty. And I'm just gonna pick that up on my finger and dab that on. Oh, that is really pretty. And it has like specks of the kind of peach undertone that we laid down. So it's a really nice match, I think. It's like a nice, quick spring eye look. All right, I'm gonna pick up a small shader brush. This one is also by Coastal Scents. I'm gonna put some Polite, which is the first color I laid down, right under the brow bone. I just like to go back and pop that there. And then I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go into the color Chatty, which is like a champagne type of color. And I'm gonna add that right into the inner corner and brighten up the eye just like that. I always like to put something in the inner corner. I feel like it really opens up the eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on my lower lash line. Testing out this liner that I got. It's a liquid eyeliner by Uzi. I saw another makeup artist using this and she said it was really, really good for hooded eyes. And since I have hooded eyes, I thought I would give it a whirl. And it has a really beautiful fine tip. That's a swatch of the color, so it is a nice dark brown. I prefer brown for my liner. I just feel black's a little bit harsh, unless, you know, I'm going out at night, which I'm not doing. So I'm just gonna pull my eye just a little bit and apply that liner. I feel like I can't talk while I put on liner because I will mess it up, so. That went on really, really nice. I like to go all the way in to the inner corner. I'm really, really impressed by this liner. This is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara. And today I'm gonna be using Maybelline Lash Stiletto. This is more of a lengthening than volumizing mascara, just so you know. So if you're looking for something more volumizing, this wouldn't be probably what, you know, you would wanna put on, but I just want some length. Probably layer this with another mascara for the volume, and I'm just gonna do a little bit on my lower lashes. I think that turned out pretty good. So here is the completed eye look. I think it turned out pretty nice. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment. I will have all the products that are on my face linked down below as well. I hope you enjoy your day and you're staying safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.